So let's look at recycled materials. This is our tip of the week. So for recycled materials, we can create a similar type of schedule where we're tracking total square footage or the face of the wall for the material. But in order to do that, we need to know, excuse me, we need to know what the surface of that wall is and its material. So a really good way to do this is to create materials with a prefix. And then we can actually use that prefix when we track this in the schedule. So in this case, I get a prefix for MR, for materials and resources. That's what that is short for. I'll put a little line next to it, and then whatever follows it is the material name. And so here we have MR for material resource, and here recycled concrete and other types of recycled materials that we could use as well. Once we've done that, we can then go in and start to create our recycled materials wall surface calculation. And again, similar to what we were talking about before, we want to create a schedule from our scheme settings. In this case, we're going to go new, select a new schedule, that schedule a name of a MR 4.0 for the lead category. And then for the lead schedule, we're going to call that recycled materials wall surface calculation. For the criteria, we want to track walls. We want to track the outside face surface. In this case, we're tracking MR as EIFS wall system, and for the inside face as recycled content gypsum board. And then we want to track what element ID, quantity, outside face surface, and surface area, and then of course total sum for that as the field. Once we do that, we can then go up to our document menu, schedules and recycled materials. When we go and select that recycled materials wall surface calculation, you'll see it then goes and track our exterior wall, it tracks our interior walls, and gives us a total wall surface calculation. And so this is a way that we can actually go in and start to track and build these schedules to track this information, again, for those lead requirements that we need.